Whitewater Publishing House is excited to offer the Garden Plant Themed Journal, designed to help you explore ideas and organize your thoughts. Introducing our beautifully crafted Garden Plant Themed Notebook, an ideal companion for your creative and reflective journey. This 6 by 9 inch notebook boasts 120 blank-lined pages, thoughtfully designed to inspire and motivate with a unique quote featured every 10 pages. Imagine a little burst of encouragement as you turn each page, quotes like, "Let your life be as vibrant and diverse as a flourishing garden, full of color and potential," perfectly suited for anyone in your life, whether it's mom, dad, grandparents, kids, friends, or fellow plant enthusiasts. This notebook makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. The garden plant theme adds a touch of nature's beauty to your daily notes, making every jot and doodle a moment of joy. Ideal for journaling, planning, or simply capturing fleeting thoughts, this notebook is a charming blend of function and inspiration. This channel is collaborating with Whitewater Publishing House to offer you some memorable merchandise to enhance your daily thought process. The publication of these garden-themed notebooks aims to bring nature to your fingertips, allowing you to embrace the serene beauty of garden plants in your everyday tasks. Thank you for your continued support of this channel and our collaborative partners.